Hey everyone, how's it going? So today I finally got my order of these replacement gas spouts from this what is it, gasspouts.com or something like that. Figured I'd make a little video just to see how well they work. I kind of screwed up and I ordered 4. I meant to only order 2, but it works out because I remembered that I have 3 gas cans. Well, there's only 2 here, but there's one little one over there in the shed for 2-stroke. So I'm going to get to setting these together and putting them on the gas cans, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I just finished installing the replacement gas spout on the one gas can on the left there. I bought that one brand new at Menards about 2 weeks ago, and honestly the safety spout on it is not terrible. It still sucks to use, but it didn't leak. It did a little bit, and I just tightened it and it worked fine. And I've used it a few times since I've gotten it, but I really was just tired of them. It's a pain in the butt to use. Grab it here for you. As you can see, this uses this dorky little push button click thing here, and then you have to push down on it to get it to work, and then if you don't push back, it locks in place. Bye, Felicia. So, with my phone precariously propped up here, I'm going to use the new gas spout to pour a little bit of gas from that one into that one. We're going to make sure it doesn't leak or anything. I just put the vent cap on there and everything, so we'll pop that off and unscrew the lid and see how she goes. Nice and bendy too, that's the best part. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Not a drop. Bone frickin' dry. Love it. Love it. So, I'm going to finish installing these on the rest of the gas cans. Like I said, I have that one right there to put a new one on. And I got one in the shed for 2-stroke. So we'll be back in a little bit. Now just to add, you want to make sure when you're drilling in those holes for those vent caps, put your drill on the slowest speed, because if you go too fast, it's going to put a bunch of shavings from the plastic inside the gas can. Now these spouts do have little filters on them. In fact, I'll show you my 4th one that I'm not using. Great spare there. It's got a really nice mesh filter screen there, so even if you do get some shavings in there, it's really not going to matter. But this new can anyway already has a little filter inside here, so you know, whatever, it's cool anyway. But make sure you drill slowly, give it a little bit of extra pressure, because the plastic is surprisingly thick and takes some work to drill through. Obviously you want to have it on your drill setting, keep it on your slower speed. Go nice and easy, and you'll just be able to pull the curly shavings right off the plastic, and you'll be good to go. I'd seen these gas spouts advertised a whole bunch all over Facebook for quite a while now, and finally decided to pull the trigger on them. And they came really quick. I ordered them about a week ago, and they came right to my door. Well, like I said, within about a week. I live in Michigan, and I believe they came from Florida. So, shipping's quick, price is right, can't complain. Really love what we got here. This is so much easier than those absolutely stupid gas spouts with the buttons and the safety nonsense. Anyway. Alright, so we're back. Got all 3 cans finished. Got the spouts installed, the vent caps installed on all 3 of them. These work so well. I'm so happy with these. They are so awesome. This is all you need to install them. Just need a drill bit. You need to drill a 1/2-inch hole on the back near the top, as close to the top as you can get, so it's out of the way of your handle on the gas can. Anyway, like I said, you just drill a 1/2-inch hole. I used just a little 3/16 drill bit to start, and my handy dandy step drill. I don't know if you can see, but This one's nice because it's labeled. You can see, well, maybe you can't see, but shows you 1/2 inch right where you need to stop. And you drill it out. Once you get the hole out there, all you do is just give it a couple taps with a rubber mallet and it pops right in there nice and tight. Tested them for leaks, they work perfectly. The only thing that is, I don't even want to say difficult, but the only thing that's kind of a little difficult is just threading the little tie wrap for the cap here. You just want to use a pair of pliers to hold the end of it here as you push it into the little hole there. It's just a nice tight fit so it doesn't come apart. Really, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just a feature. Let's call it a feature. Anyway, this is this Midwest can that I got from Menards, like I said, a couple weeks ago. These old Briggs & Stratton cans, I've had these for quite a while. I don't remember where they came from, but it doesn't matter. They all three take the yellow caps. The kit does also come with these black caps. I just put everything in the box so I could have them all together nice and easy. But you just have to test them, see which threaded cap fits your can. As far as I know, they're pretty much all universal. These are the old nozzles. Like I said, that's the goofy push one. This one was on this 5-gallon Briggs, and it's just broken. So here's the proper Briggs filler nozzle. So we're just going to take these and put these exactly where they belong. We're going to take these over here. We're going to take them over here. Right in the trash where they belong. Anyway, just wanted to say a huge thanks to GasSpouts.com or EasyPour.com, where I got these, and they are just absolutely wonderful. Go ahead and get yourself a set of them because it is a life changer. Thanks for watching.